Police officer recovers from this potentially deadly attack. There is some renewed debate over police use of force.
Today, New York Attorney General Letitia James introduced a bill that would tighten the rules for officers using deadly force. Scott McGee is following this story and has reaction. Scott.
Well, it's called the Police Accountability Act, and the AG says it's the most far-reaching use of police force reform in the nation. Now, there's a lot of pieces to this, but the most controversial part of the bill would mandate that police officers only use force as a last resort. That would lower what her office calls the, quote, exceedingly high standard for prosecuting police officers who wrongly take excessive or lethal action. It's an idea that predictably got some very different reactions depending on which side you're on.
It's horrendous. It's going to change our job drastically. It's going to make the job of a police officer much harder to do. And, I have a lot of questions for you.
I certainly think that the general public would support the bill. In general, civilians want police officers to use the least amount of force to get the job done.
So what does last resort mean? Well, it would require officers to exhaust alternative approaches like de-escalation, lower levels of force, verbal warnings, other tactics. And we should point out this bill got a long way to go, though, before actually becoming law.